Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's pick up with Ayah number 6 from Surah Al-Baqarah. Uh, this as a quick review. In Surah Al-Fatiha we covered 3 forms of verbs. Form 1, which is the regular fa'ala. Form 4, which is you just add a hamza in the beginning and put a sukoon on the first root letter, so it becomes af'ala. And then form 10 also, which you have to add hamza and a sin and a ta at the beginning of the form 1, and then so it becomes, instead of fa'ala, it becomes istaf'ala, and you add a sukoon on the first root letter, istaf'ala, a hamza with a fatha, and then a hamza with a kasra, and sin with a sukoon, and then ta with a fatha, and then the first root letter gets a sukoon, so istaf'ala. So now in Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala introduced us to like 4 more examples of a form 4 verb. We covered them in the first 5 ayahs. Amana yu'minu, aqama yuqimu, anfaqa yunfiqu, anzala yunzilu. Now here in ayah 6, there he introduces us to another form 4, which is anzara yunzilu. And also in this ayah, so in the first 5 ayahs he introduces us different types of things you can do with the form 4 verbs. So some of those things were like how to make a present tense from the form 4 verb, and then how to also make the verbal noun from the form 4 verb. And so here he shows us how to negate the form 4 verb in the past tense, and how to also negate it in the present tense. So again here, and also there's one major thing he introduces us to is that how to make a conditional sentence with using instead of and, using or, and and then 3 other little things, which is how to use inna, and also how to ask a question, simple way to ask a question, and uh, and and then how to use a conditional sentence. So let's get started here. Again, it's just 2 nouns basically, but the 2 nouns are a little more. The first noun is replaced by a whole sentence. It's just 3 words. It's just a 3-word sentence, but it's a sentence. And then the second noun is, as usual, which is sawa'un. So the first noun is replaced by inna alladhina kafaru, and the second noun is sawa'un, which means it's the same or equivalent. So what's same and equivalent? Well, the sentence after that tells us what is the same or equivalent. So let's start with the first sentence. Inna alladhina. Inna is a way to add emphasis. So here, indeed, the ones, alladhina, we had covered that in the first 5. The ones who have disbelieved, kafaru. So that's the pattern here is kafara, kaf, fa, ra, and but this is plural, so it's kafaru. So that's why there's a wow and an alif. So let's stop there and we'll pick up